What's up guys, it's the last day of the trip and we will be heading to the airport of what? Oh, Denpasar. We are going to Denpasar airport later at 11 and now we are rushing for the photo shoot in the room itself. Right and foremost, happy Labor Day guys. This is the day where we are taking the day off to actually do this shoot in Seminyak, but we came with the expectation that the beach is different, but Malaysian's one seems to be better and the waves here are amazing. The waves is like wow, but it's too big lah. So if my wife wear the gown and go to the beach, that's it lah. Of course, if there's a photographer, it will be much easier, but this is a whole different experience. Fendi Lee, the photographer, the local photographer here, helped us with yesterday's shoot. So today we're gonna do it ourselves, and we have a plane to catch in 3 hours time. And she's still making up. Hey, 好看。没有，对着我笑，对着镜头笑。关起来。看过来，好看呢。So it's a wrap guys, we are just finished photo shooting and we are heading for breakfast now. Yeah, she also just got him. Okay, let's go. There's one thing, right, that in this hotel that I don't think any other properties I visit before is this feature. Holy shit. Bye bye room.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Has been a very exciting trip. Although we only visit two places, Ubud and Seminyak, but if you look at the entire freaking island, right, there's so many more things we can do, and I really hope that I can come back soon. And for these two, right, one is Ubud where you really in the exploration mode, you get a scooter and you just go anywhere you want, and Seminyak you just come there and chill, enjoy your hotel facilities in 4 Point Sheraton. It's a very cool hotel. And oh, okay, so we're gonna go now. Oh yeah, if you like this channel, like it, share it, and even subscribe for more information. She keeps screaming at me. Okay, bye bye.